Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel manifesting you more money in those bags so we could all acquire at least one, if not more, of these BTC. Only 21 million will ever be made with over billions and billions of people. We want to try to snatch one of these up. But today's topic is going to be Prometheum Prodigy. We're going to talk about the poll that we hosted to see what the community actually wants to hear about. So if you're new to the channel or if you're new to Prometheum Prodigy, make sure you guys like, subscribe, put the bell notification on. And if you have not watched the video I did prior to this one, you might want to watch that one to catch up the overview of what I talked about when it comes to Prometheum Prodigy. And of course, we're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis, because this one did break all-time high, and we'll do much more than that. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's start off with the Twitter page that is at Prometheum PMPY. Let's go ahead and scroll down. This is some new stuff coming out just 5 hours ago. We have included phase 5 to Prometheum's journey. So it's basically like the roadmap. We will reward PMPY community by allocating an increase in reflections once these market cap goals are accomplished. The market cap goals we're talking about is 100 million, then getting the reflections up to 4%. And when, not if, but when Prometheum Prodigy gets to 1 billion, we're talking about a 5%. So that's going to be an increase to those reflections. Big shout out to Adam Shelton. You guys know what's up. Big shout out to Pablo Crow, and big shout out to the overwhelming welcome of Prometheum Prodigy's community that shot this video right through the roof. And we're going to get to that poll in just a bit. So if you guys can continue to come over here, like and retweet everything going on with Prometheum Prodigy, PMPY, like that, the word can continue to be spread and people can know what's going on with this amazing project, layer 2 blockchain with AI intelligence, right? So I'll have all these official links down below. On top of those links, I'll have some links for BYD5 where you guys can get rewards up to $150. Use those rewards to either make more money or pull that money right off the exchange and go ahead and dump it right back into Prometheum Prodigy, all right? Also have a link in there for this Telegram group that I'm growing. It's called the Money Bags Mansion. You guys are not going to want to miss out on this. It's growing slowly but surely. It is an organic room. We're not going to fluff the numbers up. These are going to be all real individuals, like-minded individuals, and we're going to take the best advantage, the best outcome when it comes to this bull market. We're in the bull market, but this bull run, okay? Let's go ahead and continue. So we got this right here with 45 votes, the Prometheum Flip mobile app. So that's what we're going to be talking about in the next video tomorrow. This is a video to do some price predictions to let you know what votes we're in. But tomorrow we're going to be covering this. I might do some kind of series where we'll tap into these and break these down. So like that, we can use this as content to shill this amazing project that we're all bullish on. So tomorrow's video, make sure you like, subscribe, bell notification has to be lit. You guys want to tap in on that TG that I got as well. You guys will see the videos that I'm posting about PMPY. You guys can show your support inside that TG by putting emojis and whatnot like that. But tomorrow's video, we're going to do a deep dive on the Flip mobile app. After that video, we'll do another poll and we'll talk about what the community wants to hear about next. Like that, we're not playing any guessing games. But tomorrow's video, the video that you guys all wanted, ladies and gents, is going to be the Flip mobile app. Okay, so keep that in mind. Big shout out to this community. I mean, overwhelming support. Love all the memes, all the GIFs, everything. This was just epic. I mean, the people joining the TG, the people engaging with everything that's going on. Let's go ahead and give this a watch before we get to these price predictions and technical analysis. Give everybody a little taste. A quick little video.
Prometheum Prodigy, groundbreaking platform about to revolutionize the world of blockchain technology. With a laser focus on enhancing layer 2 blockchain technology, the power of artificial intelligence. Prometheum.
Let's go.
Prometheum Prodigy.
Let's go one step further for the PMPY. That's how I feel right now. BTC moving. Let's go.
World of cryptocurrency about to witness the true power of Prometheum.
Right.
This visionary platform is set to bring forth new and improved ways of enhancing the blockchain and propelling it. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Prodigy unveils its
Stay tuned.
offering a vision of layer 2 blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, mobile trading. Get ready to experience the future of cryptocurrency with Prometheum.
And that is
The
.org.
revolution starts here.
So that's a little video, which is pretty cool because that's exactly what this community wants to talk about. And like I mentioned in the other video, if you have not watched it, go ahead and tap in, where we're going to be doing a lot of tutorials and whatnot with all this technology that's coming out and this tech from Prometheum Prodigy, aka PMPY, especially doing technical analysis using the app this is what people want to hear about. Like I talked about in the other video really quick, what I liked about these tools were not just for the DeFi experts, but the new people coming in. And I'll make sure to do my best, and with the help of you guys, to help those teething pains and those growing pains be a lot easier, especially using PMPY's technology to help trading be a lot easier for those new people coming in, those normies. We want them to come in, but we're going to have to teach them what's up. All right. So once again, make sure you guys following, make sure the bell notification is lit. Now, without any further ado, congratulations on the breakout to the all-time high. I'm very excited. Like I said, the channel was on fire. The engagement, the amount of comments, this shows me a lot. You know, just besides the chart, there is some analytics that we can look at as far as videos go and engagement. And this community is very live. Now, Dex Tools went ahead and erased all the lines, but they're very easy to see because it's the same name and it's the same game. It's just support and resistance, prior resistance becoming future support. And that's exactly what we're going to identify right now. As we can see, that's exactly what happened. Basically right there. Remember that resistance becoming a support, and now we can see that right there. So although and I did catch Pablo Crow's live stream, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel if you guys have not subscribed to Pablo Crow's channel. Dropping fire live streams. We're one of the livest communities there. Shout out to Power as well, sharing the videos, letting everybody know what's up. And it is true, on early projects, it's harder to do technical analysis. But the reason why I think it's important is because these people are going to have to learn regardless, especially with the type of tech that we're bringing to the table. Why not get them warmed up to understanding, you know, a resistance becoming a support? And that's exactly what we had. We talked about it yesterday in the video, and we're going to talk about it again some more. We got that resistance right there. The prior resistance, that all-time high that it was before. Now we broke above, exactly what we talked about in the video. And this is going to continue. Yes, we might consolidate. Yes, I do see this being $1 billion project, but I think this is a great time to take this this opportunity to learn and to teach people. And I can learn some things from all of you as well, but to teach them how not to get shooken out, because if they don't know what's going on and they don't understand the game of support and resistance, they might see a pullback like we talked about in that last video. Remember, we talked about breaking above, coming back down, and riding back up. Yes, it's not picture perfect, but if we take a look at this, if we take a look at it, we went back up, we broke past the all-time high, which was a prior resistance, and we came back down, making a support. And we're going to identify that support right there above what that last all-time high was. So again, the same thing, prior resistance becoming future support, and having this identification, this pattern right here where we can identify very easily this going up past that, coming back down, making a support to rise back up, because that's how traders pay attention to what's going on. And we talked about, and I've heard other YouTubers talk about how hard it is to learn how to trade. And these are some of the simple steps, the early steps that you should be able to pick up. So like that, when somebody sees a pullback, they don't get shooken out of their spot right away. We are on the hourly chart. We got a new all-time high, and that is right over 10 million. We're at 10,000,000.22. We got over 1,000 holders on PMPY, and I know this is going to continue to climb because you guys are making the algorithm work for you by smashing the like button, leaving bullish comments down below, and sharing this video on all social media platforms. Let's work together. Let's grow our bags together, and this is something that we have a great opportunity to do. Now, let's go ahead and do the same thing and practice this as time continues to go, right? We're going to learn how to do this together. We see this small channel above the all-time high. We see our new resistance. Let's get rid of this right here. We got our new resistance, right? And the same thing's going to happen once again. It's going to have this possible consolidation, right? Identifying that now we're saying, hey, we got new holders. We're not going underneath it. So we can see something like this. This could potentially happen, right? Where we're starting to tap some consolidation going to the right. Just nonstop identifying a new floor, meaning people don't want to sell passes. We see some buys coming in. We got 1.1 ETH coming in, $2,700 coming in. People are bullish on PMPY, and so am I. So right now we can see this happening right here. What's going to happen? Something similar. The same patterns keep repeating themselves. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. What just showed up is now leaving, and what just left is now showing up. And just like that, we had consolidation that took off. We made a top. Now we got a pull back that's going up. Now we're going to have that pull back down. It's leaving us, but we're going to consolidate to the right and potentially even have a breakout, right? Just breaking above that. Now we won't be afraid when we see a pullback to go right back up, especially new investors that are new to crypto. Not only do they got to learn about AI intelligence that PMPY is bringing to the table, blockchain technology, wallets, crypto altogether, and what that means, but they also got to learn charts. And that's where we come in and do our part, where we're fighting the good fight, the hidden mile, the one you don't get credit on, to let people learn what's going on. So when they see a pullback, they can say, we see a pullback, but a green candle after that, and we're pumping up. That means that's our new support, right? Support and resistance. And that's what we're doing right now. We're teaching people, we're educating people to not only help our bags grow, but help the crypto space altogether grow. Tomorrow, like I said, it's going to be that video on the mobile app on PMPY, and then we'll do another poll. So make sure you guys are following me at Rico Moneybags as well. So when we do the poll, we can do a series on PMPY because we got a lot of tech to talk about on this one. That's all for this video. Make sure you guys continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me, and let's snatch up some Bitcoin. Let's snatch up some more PMPY and to the moon, baby. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.